Hi, I'm Frank Fritz. Maybe you've seen me on American Pickers. I buy a lot of cars and a lot of old auto parts. You know, while you're storing your car or you're working on it for rust prevention, try Dry Coat. It's water-based, it's clean, it's safe, it's easy, it's non-toxic, non-hazardous, non-flammable, biodegradable. I mean, this stuff is used by Fortune 500 companies. It dries quickly, it's non-tacky, you get up to 1 year protection when it's used indoors. I mean, you can spray this stuff on, you can dip it, you can do whatever, and especially after derusting with Metal Rescue. Apply Dry Coat and watch nothing happen.